How to create a Shopee shop account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a Shopee shop account. First, open your web browser. Here, search for Shopee seller account. Click on this link from the results. It is linked with the Shopee Seller Center. Now, click on the sign up button. Firstly, add your phone number to continue. You can also continue by choosing your Facebook or Google account. Click on Continue to proceed further. Once done, you'll be taken to this dashboard. Your Shopee shop account has been created. You can now use it. So that is exactly how to create a Shopee shop account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.